Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by creating a Firebase project and adding a web app. This gives you the Firebase config object. Once done, choose whether you'll host or just serve static HTML locally. Make sure authentication and Firestore or real-time database are enabled if your app needs them. Next, install the Firebase SDK via npm or include the CDN scripts in your HTML head. Both work, but CDN is fastest for a simple page. Keep your config handy for the next step. You now insert the SDK and initialize Firebase in your HTML script block or JS file. For CDN, add Firebase app, JS plus chosen services like Firebase Auth, JS and Firebase Firestore, JS for modules import from Firebase/app and service packages, then call Firebase. Initialize app, Firebase config, and create service instances such as Firebase, Auth, or Firebase, Firestore. This connects your page to Firebase. Make sure to test initialization logs. Also set permissive dev rules so features work while you build. You finish by wiring UI events to Firebase calls. Sign-in flows via auth, reads and writes to Firestore or real-time DB, and real-time listeners for UI updates. Once implemented, test thoroughly, handle promise rejections and permission-denied errors. When ready, deploy using Firebase hosting or upload your static files to your chosen host. Make sure your hosting config points to index. HTML. If things go wrong, check the Firebase config values, console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.